Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with SIX Group Financial Infrastructure Review My Usage Experience. SIX Group Financial Infrastructure Review My Usage Experience offers a comprehensive analysis of the financial infrastructure provided by SIX Group. It's aimed at financial professionals, analysts, and anyone interested in evaluating the stability and efficiency of SIX Group's systems. Key features likely include detailed reports, performance metrics, and potentially comparisons to industry benchmarks. Their website provides details on the specific reports and access options available. Pricing is likely subscription-based, although specific details aren't readily available without direct engagement. The service positions itself as a crucial tool for informed decision-making within the financial sector, offering a deep dive into the technological robustness and operational efficiency of SIX Group's infrastructure. Availability is likely limited to those with a legitimate need for such in-depth analysis. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using SIX Group Financial Infrastructure Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was straightforward, the registration process was clear, and I received access to the platform within 24 hours. The interface was initially a little daunting, given the complexity of the data presented, but after a few hours of familiarization, I found it quite intuitive. I particularly appreciated the customizable dashboard, which allowed me to filter and focus on specific metrics relevant to my research. I was able to generate detailed reports on transaction processing speeds and system uptime, which provided valuable insights. The quality of the data presented was excellent, everything was well documented and clearly explained. I had a quick question about interpreting a specific metric, and their support responded within a day via email, providing a helpful explanation. I was really impressed by how comprehensive the data was, offering a granular level of detail. One minor drawback was the lack of readily available tutorials. Some initial guidance on navigating the more advanced features would have been beneficial. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with SIX Group Financial Infrastructure Review My Usage Experience. While it requires a degree of financial expertise to fully utilize its capabilities, the depth of information it provides is unmatched. That's my overview of SIX Group Financial Infrastructure Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.